There comes a day when you stop waiting, not for help, not for love, not for someone to save you, because one painful truth finally becomes impossible to ignore. No one is coming. At first, those words sound cruel. They feel cold. But hidden inside them is the greatest freedom a human being can discover. The day you stop expecting the world to rebuild your life is the day you finally begin rebuilding it yourself. Most people spend years blaming circumstances. My parents failed me. My friends betrayed me. My opportunities disappeared. My luck was bad. Maybe all of that is true. But Marcus Aurelius reminded himself every morning that the world owes you nothing. It simply offers challenges. The question is never, what happened to me? The real question is, what will I become because of it? Pain can destroy you, or pain can become the foundation of the strongest version of yourself. Every broken habit, every rejection, every lonely night, every failure can become another stone in the man you are building. But only if you stop looking outside for rescue. Today is not about motivation. It is about responsibility. Because responsibility is heavier than excuses, but it is also infinitely more powerful. The rebuilding starts now, not tomorrow, not when life gets easier. Now. Learn to stand alone. There is a reason silence feels uncomfortable. When the noise disappears, you finally hear yourself. Most people avoid solitude because they confuse it with loneliness. They are not the same. Loneliness says, I have nobody. Solitude says, I have myself. The Stoics often sought solitude not to escape life, but to understand it. Every great transformation happens in private. Nobody applauds your discipline. Nobody celebrates the mornings you wake up early. Nobody notices the temptations you quietly resist. But those invisible victories create visible success. Stop announcing your goals. Stop asking everyone for approval. Move quietly. Let your habits speak louder than your promises. Remember, trees grow in silence. The sun rises without applause. The strongest mountains never explain why they stand. Real strength doesn't beg to be noticed. It simply exists. If you cannot enjoy your own company, no achievement will ever satisfy you. Learn to sit with your thoughts. Learn to face your fears. Learn to become your own greatest ally, because the man who can stand alone can stand anywhere. Destroy the old version of yourself. Every new life demands an old death, not physical death. The death of excuses, the death of procrastination, the death of self-pity. Every morning you have two choices: become yesterday again, or become someone slightly stronger. Most people think transformation is dramatic. It isn't. It is painfully ordinary. Wake up, exercise, read, work, rest, repeat. Again, again, again. Small actions repeated for months create lives that look miraculous. Discipline isn't punishment. It is self-respect. You don't rebuild confidence by thinking positively. You rebuild confidence by keeping promises to yourself. Every promise you break weakens your identity. Every promise you keep strengthens it. The strongest people aren't fearless. They simply refuse to negotiate with their excuses. Become obsessed with consistency, not perfection, because perfection never arrives. Consistency changes everything. Protect your mind. Your mind is your greatest asset, and your greatest enemy. Every day, people are fighting battles they never chose. Comparison, jealousy, fear, overthinking, regret. Most of these battles begin with one uncontrolled thought. Epictetus taught that people are disturbed not by events, but by the opinions they form about those events. Someone insults you, that is an event. You choosing to replay it for 3 days, that is your decision. Guard your attention like treasure. Not every opinion deserves your response. Not every criticism deserves your emotion. Not every battle deserves your energy. Silence is often stronger than revenge. Peace is often stronger than victory. The world becomes less dangerous when your emotions stop controlling your actions. Master your thoughts, or your thoughts will master you.
Become unrecognizable. Imagine meeting yourself 1 year from today. Would that person thank you or blame you? The future version of you is watching every decision you make today, every workout, every excuse, every distraction, every sacrifice. You are writing his story. The rebuilding never truly ends. There is always another lesson, another weakness to conquer, another fear to overcome. Marcus Aurelius once wrote that the obstacle becomes the way. Your pain is no longer your prison. It is now your teacher. Walk alone if you must. Grow quietly. Speak less. Observe more. Work harder. Expect nothing. Appreciate everything. And one day, the people who ignored you, the people who doubted you, even the person you used to be, will no longer recognize the man standing before them, because you rebuilt yourself, not with luck, not with shortcuts, but with discipline, with patience, with courage, and with the quiet strength that only solitude can create. So when tomorrow morning begins, do not ask life to become easier. Ask yourself to become stronger, because the strongest man in the room is rarely the loudest. He is the one who rebuilt himself alone.